Japanese automaker Subaru is stepping up its safety game with the latest updates to the Crosstrek and Impreza models for model year 2025. Both vehicles have earned 5-star safety ratings from the Australasian New Car Assessment Program, thanks to enhanced design and improved crash protection. These ratings apply to vehicles built from April 2025 and available for sale starting in June. What makes this update particularly interesting is how both models share similar safety structures and technologies, which allowed the testing authorities to use data from both cars to complete the evaluations. Subaru Crosstrek was the subject of collision avoidance and crash tests, such as full-width frontal impact, side impact, and oblique pole scenarios. Meanwhile, the Subaru Impreza took on the frontal offset crash and side impact tests, and also participated in pedestrian safety assessments to ensure it offered similar results. In the adult occupant protection category, both vehicles earned a score of 83%. Drivers are well protected in frontal, side, and oblique crash situations. The passenger in the front seat also receives strong protection. Subaru includes a center airbag between the two front seats, although its performance in side crashes was a bit inconsistent. Child occupant protection scored even higher at 91%. Both the Crosstrek and Impreza got full points for their performance in crash tests involving child dummies. These cars come with ISOFIX and top tether anchors in the second row seats, and they easily accommodate most child restraint systems. Vulnerable road user protection came in at 85% for the Crosstrek and 84% for the Impreza. In pedestrian impact simulations, both vehicles offered solid head protection on the hood and windshield. However, the stiff windshield pillars did result in some lower marks. Subaru's EyeSight technology helped boost their scores, thanks to features that can detect and react to pedestrians and cyclists, especially during forward motion. Safety assist technologies brought in a score of 73%. Every model includes Subaru's EyeSight system, which provides autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, emergency lane centering, speed limit recognition, and a direct driver monitoring setup that keeps an eye out for fatigue or distraction. Although the Crosstrek and Impreza share many elements, they differ in front-end design. This required separate pedestrian impact testing. The Impreza edged ahead in head and lower leg protection, while the Crosstrek did better in upper leg, femur protection. This helped give the Crosstrek a slightly higher score in vulnerable road user protection. These 5-star safety scores are valid for all petrol and hybrid Crosstrek models and petrol-only Impreza vehicles built from April 2025 onward. Keep in mind, if you are shopping for a used model, this safety rating does not apply to vehicles built before April 2025. That includes the earlier G6X Crosstrek introduced in May 2023 and the G6 Impreza from April 2024. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on updates like this. Your support helps us keep bringing you the latest in automotive news and safety breakthroughs.